If you're looking for an AI software that's just been released and can transform your workflow, myAIninja might be exactly what you need. In this review, I'm going to share the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about myAIninja, the best AI software that's just hit the market. Stick around to the end because I've got some key insights that will show you why this software is already making waves and could be your next game changer. First off, let's talk about what makes myAIninja stand out from other AI tools. Unlike many AI platforms that require a steep learning curve, myAIninja is designed with simplicity in mind. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or content creator, you can get up to speed quickly. It's not just about using AI. It's about making AI work for you with minimal effort. In other words, it's designed for anyone, not just tech experts. Now, if you're worried about the price tag, here's the best part. You can try myAIninja completely free. That's right. From the first link in the description below, you can get started without spending a dime. That's a huge bonus, especially when you consider how packed this software is with powerful features. Let's dive into the features you'll want to know about. First, myAIninja excels at automation. Whether you need to streamline marketing campaigns, automate content creation, or manage customer interactions, this tool can handle it. The platform doesn't just automate tasks. It also customizes them based on your goals, so you don't waste time on irrelevant actions. It's like having a virtual assistant that knows exactly what you need. Next up, myAIninja uses some of the most advanced machine learning algorithms available, which means it can learn from your preferences and improve the results over time. For businesses and marketers, this is a game changer. The longer you use it, the more accurate it becomes, allowing you to drive higher ROI without the usual trial and error. One feature that caught my attention is the AI-powered analytics. With myAIninja, you can quickly track how your campaigns are performing, and more importantly, get suggestions on how to optimize them. The analytics aren't just numbers on a screen. They offer actionable insights, making it easier to pivot when necessary and stay ahead of the curve. Another key feature is its integration capabilities. myAIninja works seamlessly with other popular software platforms, meaning it fits into your existing tools effortlessly. This is especially important for those of you who already have a robust tech stack in place and don't want to disrupt that workflow. Plus, it syncs across all devices, ensuring you can manage everything from anywhere. One of the standout points I've noticed with myAIninja is its flexibility. It doesn't just cater to one specific industry or business type. Whether you're in e-commerce, real estate, or digital marketing, the software can adapt to your unique needs. You can fine-tune it to optimize for your specific business goals, making it one of the most versatile AI tools I've reviewed. Now let's talk about the learning curve. Even though myAIninja is designed to be simple, it's packed with powerful features that could overwhelm you at first. But don't worry. The interface is user-friendly, and there are plenty of tutorials and support to help you get the most out of the platform, making it easy to use regardless of your tech experience. Finally, myAIninja provides a robust support system. From live chat to email support, the team behind myAIninja is always ready to assist. If you ever encounter an issue, you can be sure they'll resolve it quickly. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and while there's a lot of competition out there, myAIninja has definitely earned a spot at the top. The combination of ease of use, powerful features, and seamless integrations make it one of the best new AI software platforms available. Don't forget, you can try it for free by clicking the link below. And after you've given it a shot, I've also included my recommended AI tools in the description for you to explore. After all, I've reviewed thousands of them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the links for all the details.